How to full screen Mobile Legends. If Mobile Legends isn't using your whole screen or looks cropped, here's how to make it go full screen on your device. Step 1. On your iPhone or Android, open Settings and go to Display. Look for an option like Full Screen Apps or App Display Ratio. Step 2. Scroll through the list of apps and tap on Mobile Legends. If it's set to Auto or Standard, change it to Full Screen or Expanded. Step 3. Fully close Mobile Legends and reopen it. The game should now adjust to fit your screen completely. Step 4. This is optional, but you can go to Settings inside Mobile Legends. Tap on the Graphics tab and make sure the resolution is set to high. This improves clarity and can help it scale better on larger screens. I hope this video helped you. If it did, feel free to like and subscribe. It really supports the channel. And if you've got a question, just drop it in the comments.